Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series which is called in which I will told you about websites from where you can learn particular skills. So guys, today's video is gonna be very exciting because in this video I will teach you about top 3 best website from where you can learn machine learning. So guys, everyone know machine learning is now a very hot field in technology, so everyone should learn it to earn good amount of money and for his survival. So guys, first of all I will show you that if there is a demand of this skill or not. So we will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services online and people pay according to your service. So here I write machine learning. As you can see, only 2841 services available. So we will open his gig. He is Fiverr choice, and he completed 25 5-star reviews, and he completed 253 orders. That's great. He is Ryan W. He's from Canada. You can also check out his bio and his gig. You can also make your gig according to it, but do not copy his gig. Take an idea and write your own gig description. So let's get started. In basic package, he charged $100, and in this on this 1 hour call, I will sit down with you and help refine your idea that provide a code. Then provide a code. After that standard, he charged $5,000 and standard AI project with wireframe, machine learning, modeling, development, and QA testing. Premium, he charged $7,500 complex AI project with wireframes, machine learning, modeling, development, and QA testing. Contact for more info. So this is his, uh, you know, like his charges. We will check out some other gigs like I will do machine learning projects here. I click on this. He completed 14 orders, one 5-star review. He's also a pro batch seller. And check out his bio. You can also read his gig for idea. And in basic package, he charged $230. Get perfectly trained model, get whole project code with all features. In standard, he charged $2,490. Get perfectly trained model, get whole project code with all features. And he give you in 3 days. In basic, he give delivery of the project in 5 days. In standard, 3 days. In premium, 2 days, and he charged $5,000 for it and the same features. So I think this is a premium skill. So this is the proof that this is a very premium skill. And now I think Fiverr part is over. Let's get towards our website. The first website is developers.google.com. This is the official website of Google, and Google Machine Learning Education. So there are some courses like Introduction to Machine Learning Crash Course, Problem Framing, Data Preparation and Feature Engineering, Testing and Debugging, Explore Advanced Courses, and after that different courses according to machine learning. So I open one of them. Introduction to Machine Learning. Learning objective: understand the different types of machine learning concept. Supervised machine learning. Learn how solving problems with machine learning is different from traditional approaches. That's good. What is machine learning? You got video, and these are the three other material, and you can learn about all these things and also watch videos on YouTube. So I think this is a best website for beginners. The second platform is Kaggle. Here you can, in learn section, you can also search for courses like I search here machine learning. Machine learning, and the he shows the competitions. These are the tutorials, these are the courses. There are three courses available: machine learning, explainability, intermediate machine learning, time series. So you can also learn from here. In Kaggle, there are also they also organize different competitions, and you can earn good amount of money, up to $1 lakh from it. So this is a good website. After that, third website is udacity.com. Here you can also learn, this is paid, but you can also learn some skills from here. And you can also learn machine learning, artificial intelligence. I made a dedicated video on artificial intelligence, but from now you can also you can learn machine learning from Udacity. So you can go to learn, and here you search machine learning, or search here like machine learning. That's it. And these are the courses. You can enroll in any of the courses and become a machine learning engineer. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.